go type up a bill for that woman for $500.
Aren't you going to proofread the letter?
Lee. When people come into this office, you are a visual representation of my business, and the way you dress is disgusting.
Sorry.
You're tapping your toe all the time and playing with your hair. You're either going to have to wear a hairnet or stop playing with your hair. And another thing. Do you realize that you are always sniffling?
I'm sniffling?
And what is with your tongue when you're typing?
I'm sorry, I didn't know I sniffled.